So here and the topic is non-vascular plant. So non-vascular plant, they lack vascular tissues. They lack vascular tissues. Vascular tissues means they don't have xylem phloem, means the absence of the conducting tissues. Okay, so they are grown in the moist places. Moist places. They are grown in moist places. Okay, gametophyte generation is dominant. Gametophyte generation is dominant. Okay, they have different groups of the divisions bryophytes. Okay, and they lack true stem, which is called rhizoids, and they lack roots and leaves, true roots and leaves. They are called pseudostems. Pseudostem they are called. Okay, now let's study the bryophyta. So now let's study the bryophytes. Bryophytes are non-vascular plants. Non-vascular plants. They are non-vascular plants. They have the ambitious nature. They have ambitious nature. So what does it mean by the ambitious nature? Because they need water for the fertilization. They need water for fertilization. They need water for fertilization, development, and the existence. Existence. And their gametophyte generation is dominant abdon, and sporophyte generation is semi parasite on gametophyte. Okay, so here on gametophyte. Now here is a term is called protoandrous. What does it mean by protoandrous? Here, what is the mean of the protoandrous? Here the male part mature earlier than female. Male part mature earlier than female earlier than female part. Okay, so as you all know that they are organisms have the two sex organs. Number one is male and number two is female. So here are the two sex organs, male and female. To male we will call as the antherozoids. Antherozoids. And to female we can say that archegonia. Okay, archegonia. To the male part we can say that antherozoids, and to the female part we can say that the archegonia. Now here the female body will produce egg, and the male part will produce sperm. So this sperm will go to the female part, and basically the anthrazoids, the archegonia part will produce a fragrance of the sugar cane, or we can say that chemical. Okay, so because of this fragrance, the male sperm will go to the female part. Okay, to archegonia. Then the movement is called when the smell is produced, and female archegonia, the male part will go to the anthezoid will be going to the archegonia. So it will attract towards itself through the smell. Okay, through the smell. So the movement will be called as the chemotactic. Chemotactic. Okay, the movement will be called as the chemotactic. Now bryophytes, the study of the bryophytes is bryology. Okay, bryophytes is the collectively term for the liverworts, hornworts, and mosses. Bryophytes was first appeared 450 million years ago, and they are evolved from algae. Evolved from algae. Now, they are the bryophytes have the heteromorphic alternation of generation with. Okay, what does it mean by heteromorphic generation? I've already explained that. Firstly, the asexual into sexual, that's why heteromorphic we are saying. Okay, so this is all about the bryophytes, and